You have to respect any piece of backyard machinery that weighs as much as a small refrigerator and looks like it could survive a literal storm. When this massive stainless steel flagship smoker arrives on your driveway, you aren't just getting a grill. You're committing to a lifestyle change. Most people do not realize how much space 40 pounds of pellets actually takes up. You only realize it when you are pouring them into that giant hopper. That hopper is a beast. It means you can sleep through the night while your brisket develops that perfect bark. You won't be waking up at 3 in the morning to refill the fuel. This machine is built like a fortress. The stainless steel shines under the sun. It also means serious business. You can feel the weight every single time you lift the lid. It is heavy and intentional. It feels like something that will be passed down to your kids one day. The temperature range is honestly a bit ridiculous in the best way possible. Most pellet grills struggle to get hot enough for a real sear. This one pushes way up towards 700 degrees Fahrenheit. You can smoke low and slow at a steady 180, or you can crank it up and watch a ribeye sizzle instantly. That versatility is incredibly hard to find. The brain of the machine is an advanced computer controller. It keeps things incredibly stable. It stays within a few degrees of your target almost the entire time. That predictability is what makes a great pitmaster. You aren't constantly fighting the vents. You aren't worrying about the wind shifting. However, the setup process is a total marathon. It is not a quick 30-minute job. You will be turning bolts and aligning heavy panels for a significant amount of time. The act can be a little moody during the initial pairing phase too. Once it connects though, it is like pure magic. You can be sitting on your couch watching the big game. You can see exactly how your pork butt is doing through your phone. You do have to keep an eye on your pellet consumption. This is a large unit with a massive cooking chamber. It takes a lot of energy to keep that much air hot. If you are just grilling 2 burgers for lunch, it is going to feel like overkill. It is like driving a heavy-duty truck to the grocery store for a gallon of milk. But when you have 3 full briskets and 4 racks of ribs going at once, you will be glad you have the room. It is for the person who loves the process. It is for the cook who wants to host the entire neighborhood on a Saturday afternoon. You get that heavy-duty build quality. You get the peace of mind that comes with a solid warranty. There is a learning curve, especially with the tech, but the results speak for themselves. You just have to be prepared for the sheer scale of it. It is loud. It is proud. It dominates the patio. Once you get past the assembly, it becomes a powerhouse in your outdoor kitchen. You will find yourself looking for excuses to fire it up. Even the smell of the wood fire starting up becomes something you look forward to on the weekends. It is about the ritual as much as the food. The flavor you get from a long, slow smoke is unmistakable. You will notice the difference in the first bite of ribs. It makes the heavy lifting and the assembly worth every second of effort.